Okay.
Are at Elizabeth Park.
We're having a picnic.
We are couple goals.
Yes, we are. F.U. John Mark.
Hi guys, we're going to Savers.
Yes, we are.
Woo! We on the Berlin Turnpike, the most ratchet part of Connecticut. It's lit. You know, we're about to find some shitty ass LL Bean stuff. Cause where do we live?
New England.
This ain't the South. It's some bougie Savers.
Okay, we're inside. Oh, it's hump day.
That feel when you like Vineyard Vines, but you also like the Confederacy.
I wail Connecticut. We're at the waterfalls. I'm good.
You're living.
Living. We don't know where the real waterfall is, so now we're following these guys.
Right there.
That's where we were before. Where are we going? Oh my god, there's thunder. We're gonna die in the woods. This is farewell.
So, I lost my shirt. Great end this day. It's been wild. Peace. Still no shirt. She's really into rap.
I'm a fucking bitch.
Houdini.
It's raining. We're at a drive-in movie. Our goals. Can you hear that? It's coming from there. Right now, I'm slicing an apple. Thanks for watching my vlog this week. I hope you have a safe and fun 4th of July because we all love America, right? Also, like, comment, rate, and subscribe or you're a fake friend.